Look at this. Mama kitty carrying her little tiny baby kitty in her mouth. I'm in the lobby here at the hotel. Look at her. Wow. She just taking care of her little baby kitten. It's probably only a few weeks old. No, you take care of your baby kitten. Look at this. Wow. Protective nature. Oh, I get. There she goes. Wow, that's funny. Anyways, I'm just waiting for them at the front desk here to find out information about my ferry, my flight on Air Asia. I might have to go there today in person because nobody can get in touch with Air Asia. And I'm getting bit by mosquitoes around my ankles in the lobby. I don't get bit by mosquitoes outside. I don't get bit by mosquitoes anywhere. That even happened in Mexico. You go in these hotel lobbies and all these mosquitoes buzz around your ankles. God. I might need some afterbite. So, this is the lobby here at Hotel Cakra. 6 days now, and they can't get a hold of anybody either. Nobody picks up their phones even here. Check out all these motorcycles. There's more motorcycles in Indonesia than there are cars. Believe it or not. I don't know who she is, but she's got 4 arms. 4 arms are better than 2, I guess. She's flying on a bird. Okay. This looks like a... This almost looks like a Picasso. Very colorful. And they're still trying to reach... I got 2 hotels I'm interested in the Gillies, and I want to leave here tomorrow. The ferry has already been booked, so they're picking me up tomorrow at 7:30 in the morning and going to Padang Bae. And then I go to Gili Air, and then I get transferred to Gili Meno for 5 nights. And then I come back on the 11th, and then I have to find a hotel near the airport for my flight to the Komodos from the 12th to the 19th. And then I come back here for 1 more night in Bali, and then fly to Taiwan. Okay, I think I got it figured out. I don't know, it's confusing. And I have to clear up my bill here. What do I owe? 900,000 tonight for the room. That's about $32, something like that, US. The tour from yesterday was 750,000 for the day. And then taxi today, 500,000. I only needed a taxi for a couple hours, but how long do I have the taxi today? How many hours today?
5.
5 hours?
Yes.
I don't need 5 hours, but whatever. You never know. And he's picking me up at 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. And so the total comes to 2,150,000. And then tomorrow I pay the taxi driver for the taxi and ferry return, 1.2 million. So, this is the manager. This is the art gallery where I'm going. And it looks like I have to go to Air Asia to talk to them in person because nobody picks up their phones. This guy is sick, the taxi driver. And that's the tennis instructor at 11. So I got 1 more hour before I played tennis. So, what'd you find out? Nothing yet?
For the Meno Dream Resort, it's fully booked.
Which one?
Fully booked. Meno Dream Resort.
Meno Dream Resort is fully booked.
Yes, fully booked.
Okay, it's fully booked, so that's not an option, but the other one was Gili Meno Escape. It's still available, right?
Yeah, still.
But it's $100 a night. It must be a really nice place. No, wait a minute. 70 US. It's 70, right?
Yeah, 70 US.
70 US. Gili Meno Escape. Get breakfast there. And it's a bungalow, so it's like you're in a cabin. That sounds good. Do you think I'll have good luck?
Pardon me?
Do you think I'll have good luck?
Yes.
So tomorrow, they said there should be availability and
Yeah.
and I should be okay there. Okay, Gili Meno Escape sounds good there. And what about Luan Bajor? La Prima?
La Prima.
La
yeah.
Prima is available,
Still available.
but that's 100. Yeah, the
It's cheaper
Komodos are a little more pricey. And the Sylvia is available, right?
Yeah, still available.
And that was 75 Canadian.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So I'm not too worried about that, but what I am worried about is not being able to get my connection flight on Air Asia. So, okay, I need the address for Air Asia.
That one, sir. This one for the new office, Air Asia, in the Kuta area.
Okay, but what's the address? I got to tell my taxi driver because I get a taxi this afternoon. So
This is the address of
where?
okay.
Where? This is the address here?
No, this one. This one.
See?
Nobody can reach anybody on the phones anymore.
Yes, but my senior said if you find something information for Asia, I will send you via WhatsApp.
Well, no, my cab driver will be here at 1. So maybe I should go there first because they might close early.
The address is this one, but the office.
J1?
Jalan.
Yeah.
J1, Sunset Road.
This
GL.
one, GL.
GL means Jalan.
GL. Okay.
Yeah.
GL. I mean JL.
Yes.
Yeah.
GL.
That's the address. JL Sunset Road
No,
Yeah.
in Kuta.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. But the office open Monday and until Friday.
Monday to Friday till 10 p.m. Okay, I got time. So I got to go talk to them in person. That says Bandung. Bandung?
Badung.
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 Yes.
That's a G.
Yes.
Yeah.
You didn't put a circle at the top of your G. Okay. All right. So I owe you right now. I have to pay you how much again?
What is it?
Gimana papernya?
Yeah. This one.
2,150,000, and you take MasterCard, right? Okay.
Rekening kan gue bisa.
All right. So I go to the art gallery, go to Air Asia, playing tennis in 1 hour, and then he'll be here at 1 p.m., right? So it's not going to be Nora, it's his brother. What's his name? Do you know? No?
Pardon? The name of the brother?
Yeah, his brother's name.
Oh.
That doesn't matter. But Nora's sick today, so. So as far as tomorrow, So at 7:30, the guy shows up at 7:30, and he will ask me for the money in advance. He gives me a receipt, so it's taxi, ferry, and then in return ferry and taxi,
Correct.
and I pay for it all. Okay, I get it.